Hello and welcome back, dear students. So let's start our class with question number 8. We are using this formula: a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So let's start with question number 8. Your question says factorize 9 bracket a minus 2 whole square minus 16 bracket a plus 2 whole square. Okay, now this type of questions we have already done also. What we'll do, we'll keep this 9 inside the bracket and we'll put a square. Similarly, 16 I'll keep inside the bracket and put a square. So which means now this is a square minus b square. So you multiply 3a minus 6, 4a plus, 4 2s are 8, my mistake out here, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so now it is coming in the formula a square minus b square. So therefore this will be a plus b, a minus b. So let's calculate a plus b, a minus b. So 3a plus 4a is 7a, minus 2 plus 8 will be plus 2. Again, my mistake out here. Okay, and similarly 3a minus 6, plus into minus minus, minus into plus is again minus, and here it will be minus 8. So therefore 3a minus 4a is minus a, and therefore this will be minus 14. Okay, finally you take minus common from here, both of this will be positive, so hence it will be a plus 14. So hence this is the factorized form. I hope you are clear with this, boys. Here also this is plus 2, right? So therefore this is plus 2. Okay, so this is your question number 8. Question number 9 is this: a to the power 4 minus 1. Now see, a to the power 4, I can write it as a square bracket whole square, isn't it? And minus 1, I can write it as 1 square. So again, if we can identify the formula, it is in the form of a square minus b square. So a square plus 1 into a square minus 1. Okay, so a square plus 1, you keep it as it is. But a square minus 1, again we can use the formula. Okay, so a square minus 1, again use the formula a plus b into a minus b, and this remains as it is. This remains as it is, and here we are using the formula. So this is a factorized form. So please pause the video, note it down, these two sums. Alright boys, let's proceed with question number 10. So this is your question and this is your question. Okay, so from here I'm making into groups. From the first group, a square is common, so I can take it as a plus 2. From the last two numbers, minus 1 is common, so a plus 2 again. So therefore a plus 2 is common, so a plus 2 into a square minus 1. Now again a square minus 1, I can use the formula a square minus b square, because 1 is 1 square. So therefore a plus 2 into a plus 1 into a minus 1 will be the final answer. So please note it down. Let's move ahead. You can pause the video and note it down. Let's move ahead. So here a plus b whole cube, we cannot do anything, but here I can take minus common and I'll be getting a plus b. I hope you got the idea now. So a plus b, I can take out common. So within the bracket it will be a plus b whole square minus 1, which is 1 square. So again the same thing, boys, a square minus b square. So a plus b will be a plus b. So a plus b plus 1 into a plus b minus 1. I hope you are clear with this. You take minus common, you will get a plus b. Take a plus b common, which is this. So a plus b whole square minus 1. Use the formula a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. This is the factorized form. So please note it down, 10 and 11 also. Alright boys, let's proceed with question number 14. Sorry, question number 13. Number 12 will be homework. 13 is this. Now here 2a square, I can write it as, 4a square, I can write it as 2a square. Minus, here what we'll do is 4b square, can I write it as 2b square? Plus c square, write it as c square, plus 4bc, I can write it as 2 times of 2b into c. Okay, 2 2s are 4, BC is this. So which means I can write this whole thing as in this way. What do we notice? It is coming in the formula a square plus b square plus 2a into b. So therefore this is 2a whole square minus which formula, boys? A plus b. That is a plus b whole square. If you don't agree with me, expand and then check. So which formula? A square minus b square. So therefore a plus b into a minus b. So minus b means this will be minus, this will be minus. 2b minus c. So this is the final factorized form. So please note it down, boys. Alright, boys, let's move on to the next sum. Please try number 14 and 15 in that similar way. I move to number 16. In question number 16, we have 4a square minus 12a plus 9 minus 49b square. Now this type of questions, please do practice it properly, boys. Important question for you all. Please do practice it properly. How will you make into group? Keep the first 3 terms as first group and the last as the second group. Okay, so this one, 4a square, is it 2a square? Minus 12a. See, 2a into b. Sorry, this is 2. Okay, 2a into b. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, plus 9 means 3 square. 49b square means 7b square. This is my first group. This is my second group. Which formula? Please look at this properly. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Isn't it a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square minus 7b square. So now it is easy. A square minus b square. So this plus this minus this, which is the factorized form. So please pause the video, note it down, boys. Alright, boys, let's move ahead with number 17. In question number 17, the question is 4xy minus x square minus 4y square plus z square. Let's make it into 2 groups. Since xy, x and y is still here and z is different variable, so I'm keeping this as the first and this as the second group. Clear? Now, why first group? Because xy, x and y is included and this z is different. Okay, so that's why I'm keeping this 3 terms as first group, and this as a second group. Okay, from the first group, let's take minus common. If I take minus common, I'll get x square. This becomes plus, and this becomes minus if I take minus common. The advantage of taking minus common is, boys, now this is coming in the formula. Please see, a square plus b square minus 2a into b. Please check yourself. Are you understanding or not? Are you understanding or not? A square plus b square minus 2. 2 2s are 4. X into y, xy. So which formula it is? A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. And plus z square. So which means this is minus. So therefore I can write this is z square minus x minus 2y whole square. Isn't it or not? You tell me. A square. What is minus into plus? Minus only. So I can remove this also. Isn't it? That is z square minus this square. So a square minus b square. So which means a plus b. A minus and a minus will be plus b, which is the factorized form. So please note it down, boys. Alright, boys, let's move on to the next sum, that is number 18. Number 18 is this long sum given to us, long polynomial, but no need to worry about it. Let's make it into group. A, B to AB. I'm keeping it as first group. C, D to CD. I'm taking it as a second group. Clear? Alright. Please tell me which formula it is. Okay, before we do the formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Can I take minus common? Yes. I'll get c square plus d square plus 2cd. Identify the formulas, boys. It is a plus b whole square and it is c plus d whole square. Isn't it very, very easy? Now easily a square minus b square. Difference of squares. A plus b into a minus b, which is the factorized form. So please note it down properly. All right, boys, the next one is number 19. I don't think so I have to explain it out here. Please do it yourself. Similar to number 18, make it into group this, this, and this first group, this, and this second group. Then it is exactly same. So please note it down yourself. All right, boys, we'll keep it till today this much, and from this exercise we'll keep it till number 19 only. Tomorrow we'll start a new exercise, that is 5b. Complete all this assignments and today's work and submit it to me by tomorrow morning. Thank you, take care, and bye-bye.